les gars, it's your girl Auree and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we are working on our full body because summer is here and we have only a few days before vacation. So it's only 12 minutes, 2 parts on this workout, 1 time, and we repeat the 2nd time. It's gonna be intense, but we like that. We want effective and short workout. That's everything you will have here. So if you have not done it already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up and let's go! I hope that by now you feel energized with the warm-up. If you didn't warm up properly, consider do it. The link is below, okay? Don't forget we need to warm up properly before any workout. But this one is like a dynamic warm-up. So we warm up here. We have 10 seconds left. Give everything, toes, knees, up, raise, sing, do whatever you want, but stay here until 4, 3, 2, and 1. We continue with this time walking jack. We are used to do jumping jack, but here the intention is not to raise your BPM, is for you to warm up your arms, your back muscles and stuff like that. So put everything here, do it as fast as possible. We have 15, about now 10 seconds left. Get ready, now we go on the floor and continue with burpees. So when you do that burpees, you don't need to jump at the end. All I want is all your muscles to work. I don't need your BPM to raise because trust me, it will raise by itself. I know how you feel right now, but we continue with tap outside and kind of a crunch in, okay? So each leg do this movement, goes outside and in, other leg outside, in, and we continue until the end of those 30 seconds. And we continue with plank to frog. So how you doing it is simply going to plank by jumping, and when you come back into frog, I want you to raise your arms. You will feel it in your legs, in your core, and a little bit in your arms. Get ready, we do the last one and stand. Now we do pulse squats. So 2 times and up. Because that's a full body workout and we want our legs to burn. And if it's too easy for you, make it everything pulse. You want to feel your legs burning because it's only 30 seconds. So play the game. If you're used to be on this channel, that's what we do here. We want to challenge our own self. So do it for you, okay? Let's go. If you challenge yourself now, you might hate me because we go and jump. But what I want you to do is not necessary to do a big jump. A small one will do. So I just want you to jump a little bit. If you look at my feet, they don't go too far from the floor, but they go on toes. Okay, so make sure that you're elongating yourself and you will feel the feeling in your legs are way, way different. And it burns a lot. Trust me. And we continue with punch air. So this one, if you have dumbbells, that's even better because at least you can like properly work out. If not, then just try to be explosive. That's what we want, okay? A burning sensation. Keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Now that our arms are ready, we can do push-ups. So if you can't do it on your toes, this time I do it on my knees because I wanted to take my time by doing the movement and feel the burn. If you can do this on your toes, do that on your toes. Let's go. And we continue with back extension. So this one is one of my favorites, seriously, with no weight. You don't need anything. This one is just repetition. So it's only 30 seconds, but sometimes I like to do it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even more. And it's really, really, really effective. And because it's effective, I know it will bring you gains. So we repeat this one. After these 30 seconds, we start again with 30 seconds of push-ups and 30 seconds of back extension before rest time. Stay with me. Let's go. Now we go back into push-up and we go for 30 seconds. Let's go. And after push-up, now you know it, back extension, continue. We have a few seconds left before a 10-second rest. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. We only have a few seconds left. Quickly grab a bottle of water, drink a little bit and get ready for the second part. It's exactly the same part as we did. You know, this workout is quite easy, but it is intense if you want to make it intense. So what I will ask you to do now is to put all your energy into each of the exercises. Really, put everything you have, kill yourself, your body will love it. We are here for 6 minutes left. So continue and give everything you have for the next 6 minutes. I leave you to it and I see you at the end of this workout. Good luck. Yes, give everything, repeat the push-up and back extension. We have 1 minute left. So when you do your push-up, try to be clean. Go down slowly, clean, neat. Go back up slowly, clean, neat. Feel everything, and if you have to slow down, then slow down, but make them good. And 3, 2, 1, get ready for back extension. That's the last one after 11 minutes of workout. Now we are going to end with this exercise. Awesome, guys, you did it, and now you are ready to stretch. Don't forget to stretch, the link is below. And if you are ready to work out again, then click on the watch next video or the full playlist for more workout. I'll see you in another one. Peace.